What do you do when things just don't go your way in business or in life? Because not every day is going to be sunshine and rainbows. There's going to be times that negative voice inside your head is just a little bit louder than it should be, or outside factors in your life start taking up real estate in your head. And when that happens, you've got one or two options. You can give in by listening to them and allowing the stories to play out and get bigger and bigger and bigger, or you can just say no. You can set up this internal alarm that goes off when negative people come into your life or when bad stuff starts to happen. And that alarm goes off and triggers you to say, no, not today. This is my time. This is my journey. And then you got to do something that snaps you out of that negative state and back into a highly productive state. For me, that something always includes physical activity. Either I work out or maybe I just get on an exercise bike and I ride for a half an hour. And I'm kind of lucky because I was in the health club business for many years. So I have several bikes in my house and I've got dumbbells and I got free weights and I got some machines also to work out my stress. But you don't need all that. There are days like today when I just woke up and I went for a walk. Right? I woke up this morning and to some bad news. It wasn't earth-shakingly bad, but a business deal that we've been working on fell through. It's not going to hurt my existing companies, probably at all. But it cost me about 40 hours of my life over the past few months, and that shook me when I woke up. So instead of doing what I really wanted to do, which was immediately get to the office and start cranking out work, which I would have done kind of in a stressed mindset and probably wouldn't have been 100% effective at that. Instead of doing that, I got into my car and I drove to the river by my house and I walked for about 30 minutes. And the magical thing about that is that between the trees and the running water and the birds and the other people that I saw, after about 15 minutes, I wasn't thinking about what that deal could have been if it went through. I was just calm and I was clear because being in nature has a profound effect on all your senses. And it helps you to regain this clarity and focus in a way that I don't believe anything else does. And then I ate and I took a shower and I went to the office and I was amazingly productive. And now I'm shooting this video. And I'm hoping that out of everyone who's watching this, there's at least one person who gets it, right? Who just gets it. It clicks for them. And who takes this and uses it to turn a crappy day into a highly productive day. Because if you don't get that quality time in your life when you need it most, then you can't be as effective as you need to be for your company or for those around you. So the rule is, when things don't go your way, you need that alarm to go off and trigger you to say, no, not today. This is my time. Nobody else is allowed to snap me into a negative state for more than a moment before I catch myself and I get back in control. And that allows you to do significant things in your life and in your business. So take a moment right now and write down one thing that you commit to doing the next time things don't go your way. And when things around you get negative, that's what you do.